Okay, so it's, come on now, focus. Well, get up close, get far away. It's Tuesday, August 13th. It's 5:56 in the evening. There we go. There's that guy. Okay. Yeah, it's 100 degrees out here. Okay. Anyway, this is about a Sanyo. I can't remember. What's this about? It's a Sanyo M7750. Okay. Takes 6C batteries, which are, here, pick it up off the ground and see what we got back here. We got a beat cancel. Let's see. Let's widen this thing out there. That's why it's not focusing. And we got 6 Zentner batteries in there. Great. Okay. They've gone up in price. I checked the prices on these things recently and they're like, wow. But anyway, okay, I got my share of them. Now this thing's got dual antennas, which is more of a style, I think, than anything else, because this only has AM and FM. Okay? And without further ado, I've got a CD playing, so I'm going to give you an idea as to what the CD sounds like. So line in, give it, wait. Oh, volume's down. Okay. So I have my, set this thing down on the ground. There we go. That's other thing. If you don't already know, we're outside, and okay, so there's that. That's track, the end of track 6. So here's track 8. I'm going to skip over to one song, alright, on this. I'm going to go bang, let you hear this, alright. See if I can get closer. Yeah. The camera's about, oh, what? How far is the camera away? The camera's about 2 feet away from the radio here, okay? I've got it kind of close, and I'm using the CD player, and I've got it on line in, on stereo, normal. The balance is, let's try the balance, see if you can hear it. So, that's that channel. That's this channel, okay? Back to stereo. That's half volume, but that's the CD playing, okay? Let's stop the CD playing, flip it over to radio.
For everyone. Lime is not always limes are.
Anyway, the radio, that's FM.
Door frame with a new high-tech composite door frame.
But I'm not here about that. I'm here about the cassette. So let's hit play. But I really like this song, which is the same song as on track 8 on the CD. It's 3 minutes long. flip it back to the radio.
You can get
It's the same thing on the CD once again. See it counting along there? Yeah, same thing. Okay, so that's what that sounds like. Now, oh, that's right. This got music search. So if we put it back on here, tape, hit play. That should take it back to the beginning. Not quite the beginning because this has got soft patches in the beginning of this song, so it kind of takes it out a little bit. Let's see, eject that. Give me that tape, put that tape in here. Right. Well, can't get it in. Okay, heard that before, right? Okay. Okay, and then, come on now, I'll just get this out of the way. There's that song. Anyway, you've heard it before, right? Just heard it on this machine here, which is the same size, right? Almost the same features. This one's got record mute here. This has got record mute there. Still got your mode is stereo wide and mono and all that. Your tape, your line, your function, your tape select. Same thing there, AM, FM. This has got the AM, FM switch on the back. Right? That orange switch right there. Right? Okay. So this one has shortwave. This one does not. Okay. They both run on 6C batteries. This one's perfect. It's got all the parts to it. Mainly it's got the shortwave tuning knob. A lot of these things don't have it. They'll be falling off and lost. Let's see here. To the guy in India, whoever that may be, that wants me to give you a price in Indian rubles, I'm not doing that. It's USA dollars, that's it. Anyone else is USA dollars, okay? My email is decentmanforyou2007@gmail.com. Once again, that's decentmanforyou2007@gmail.com. Okay? decentmanforyou2007@gmail.com. There we go. Alright. Contact me if you want, if you're interested. I'll post a link to this one here that I repaired in the description underneath the video. Look underneath the video for the link to this, and you'll see all the work I put into it today, or finished it today. It took me a week. I had to wait for a part. I had to wait for a DC port, which goes right there. I had to replace that to make this work good. Alright? Anyway, so let me stop this. Stop on that, right? Hit play. Now, this is Fleetwood Mac. I can play 5 seconds worth without getting a contact strike, right? So, you know what that sounds like, right? And then eject into here, drop this back into that, put this into here, right? And hit play. Okay, so that's how that sounds. And so it's been 14 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. These both have the same connections. This one takes 6C batteries. This one takes 6C batteries. They're actually the same size. They have the same connections on the end here. This has got all that, right? As well as this one, just a different color. But this has got hooks for adding your own straps to it, which is you may have missed, but why they put dual antennas on here and no shortwave, and then this one has a single antenna and has shortwave, so go figure, who knows. Anyway, that's YouTube audio music from the Music Audio Library, or whatever they call it. There's that. I think I've showed everything. This works great. Music search works up to 3. This one has music search up to 15. And that's about it. Alright? When you're not using the music search, which is not on right now because you didn't select it up to 1, 2, 3 times there, you go to Queue and Review, so you can review it and it'll zip back, right? And just do that, or you can do it the other way. So that's how it works, alright? Yeah, it's decentmanforyou2007@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Well, I'll play it some more and just show you. I'm outside watering the tree. You can't see the watering, but we're watering the tree. Okay, so it's out here playing some tunes. See you later. Good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Gotta go.